Okay, we're going to learn how to put up a quiz for our lesson. You go over to add an activity, go down to quiz. We'll name the quiz lesson 1 quiz. And just go down and save it. Now, instead of saving and returning to the course, we want to save and display because we're not finished really making our quiz. So hit save and display. Now, what should come up is two different things, and if it doesn't, just hit Central A. You can see that worked. You see a question bank, and you see questions in this quiz. On this side, we put our quiz together. On this side, we put our questions in our quiz together. So quizzes are made up of many questions. So we make up the many questions over here. When we get done with the bank, then we shift them over to the quiz. So we don't have any questions yet. So we're going to create a new question. Well, what kind do we want? We'll start with essay. It's very easy. Question name, I just want a name that helps me keep track of it. So this is lesson 1, so I'm just going to call it 1A. What color is the sky? That's my essay question. Not much of an essay question. You can give feedback, good job. And if they answer it, then when they're done with the answer and they hit submit, they'll see the words good job. So we'll save that. And now you can see in our question bank we have one question. It's called 1A. Well, we want some more questions. So we go to choose. This time let's try a multiple choice. We want to name it. So we'll just call this 1B. Multiple choice. What color is the sky? And now we have choice 1, blue. And we like that answer, so we're going to give it 100%. Feedback, good job. Answer, black. Well, we don't like that, so we're going to give it a none. And maybe feedback, try again. Choice 3, pink. So we don't like that one, so that's a none as well. Or you can make them. You can choose all of them to be correct. 100. You give each one 100%. So basically, what you do is you either put a none or 100% on the choices. Then we go down, save the changes. Central A again. Okay, so now we have 2 questions in our bank. So we want another one. How about short answer? Question name 1C. Well, not short answer, sorry. I don't want short answer. I want embedded answers, or close it's called. And this is really fill in the blank. So we'll call it 1C. And now you need a special code. I'm going to just give you the code. If you want to find out the code for yourself, you can look up here at this question mark. It'll open up a window. And it will try to explain this kind of question. And down here you see the code, the actual code. Here's the short answer, wrong answer, feedback. And this is what the code ends up looking like. So if you look and see what you want to do, you find up the code here and you can just copy and paste. I find it kind of complicated. I'm going to give you the simplest way to do it. And here it is. If you just write this down, it's a strange parentheses here found on the right side of your keyboard. 1, short answer, this little squiggly, which is found on the left side of your keyboard, and then the equal sign. And then this is your blank. So if we were to have a fill in the blank, we might say something like the sky is, and then we put the word we want them to write in, blue, and then and you can add as many as these want. The sky is let's say we want to add another one. The sky is black at night. So this little code will tell the program to make it a blank, and it tells it that this is the right answer. So then we go down, save the changes, and there it is. So we have 1A, we have 1B, 1C, but we still don't have a quiz yet. So we select these questions that we have, and then we add to the quiz with this button. Central A. My computer doesn't like something, so I have to hit that Central A. You may not have that trouble. But here's the quiz. See, it's assembled with question 1A, 1C, 1B. I want to move 1B up, so I hit this arrow. Now I've got 1A, 1B, 1C. That's the order I like, so I hit Save Changes. And then I want to preview it. I want to see what it looks like. So what color is the sky? That's our essay question. What color is the sky? Choose one answer. This is our multiple choice. And here is our fill in the blank. The sky is blue. The sky is black. And if we hit submit on these things, there you see I got it correct. There I got it correct. Make sure you tell your students when they're finished doing their quiz that they submit all and finish. That will close it out. If they don't do that, it's still open and you can't grade it. So we hit submit all and finished, and voila, it's done. So if we go back to our course, this is what it looks like. We have lesson 1, our quiz. If we click on it, preview quiz now, and there we are into our quiz. That's how easy it is to do it.